Hi, my name is Dr. Eduardo Davila. I am the leader of a research laboratory that makes a special kind of cancer medicine. Our medicine is known as immunotherapy. What we do is use the patient's cells from our own bodies to kill cancer. Now, these are special cells called killer T cells. They form part of your immune system. Now, as many of you know, the immune system in your body is what protects you from getting sick or getting cancer. We take a little bit of the blood from a cancer patient, we purify the T cells, and we train them to become super cancer fighters. I give the killer T cells a special molecule that helps them and prevents them from getting too tired or becoming too exhausted. We then put these cells back into the patient. The T cells travel throughout the entire body until they find the cancer, and then they kill the cancer. Now, lots of patients have beaten their cancer or lived longer by using this special type of immunotherapy using T cells.
Hi, my name's Dr. Kent. I'm one of the researchers in Dr. Davila's lab. I see patients, but I also work in the lab because I want to make sure we're designing new treatments so we can help more people. This is kind of a general lab space. It looks like a messy kitchen, but we do a lot of fancy things here. I'd like to show you a few. So this is called liquid nitrogen. It's the coldest freezer that you've ever seen. We use it to store our patients' cancer cells so we can study them better in the lab. Wow, that's cold. This is called a centrifuge. This is a rotational device that allows us to spin things way faster so that the forces on those cells are way bigger than the force of gravity. That forces them to fall to the bottom of your tube and allows us to separate different cell types. So this is what we call a biosafety cabinet where we do all of our cell manipulation. So we can take cells out of a person, so take their tumor cells. We use this sterile incubator with the UV light. We open it up and we manipulate the cells inside, and then we keep them in what we call these incubators in little dishes that sort of mimic their environment within a human body. This allows us to study the cells outside of someone's actual body. So this is called a flow cytometer. It's a really specialized machine that uses lasers to study different characteristics or features of individual cells one at a time. That allows us, using advanced software, to understand why cancer is causing the problems it causes. I love science because it allows us to make so many new discoveries. Without science, none of the medicine today would be possible. Did you know that we had no cancer treatments until after World War II? That's less than 100 years ago. Now we have treatments for thousands of different types of diseases that save the lives of so many people every year.